I'll tell you why those people are clapping. By the way, welcome to the Coach Gray Show, and I am happy to be here. I'm your host, Mike Davis, along with producer, engineer Brian Watts, looking so good today. Yep. Doing a great job on the board, and my good friend and co-host of the show, Mr. Jim Dickerson, to my right. Hello, Jim. Good to see you.
Hello, and welcome.
Yeah. Ooh, the ladies like him. Yeah, look at that. All right. And the namesake of the show, Coach Gray. How you doing?
I'm doing well.
Yeah.
I'm doing well. Good to be back. Good to see
Do
y'all.
the ladies like him?
I noticed that. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, hot stuff. I think they like that sort of the scruffy look.
I
They
got
like
a question. If you want to be average and just do the bare minimum to get by, that's fine.
Yeah.
But here we look for a little bit, that little extra.
I know. Yep. Exactly right. Yeah, thank you. It's true.
Where's your flair?
I know. I was told that we were only required 15 pieces of flair, and apparently, the 15 is not enough for KPGZ 102.7 FM.
So,
Yep, there it is. That's right.
So I was going to say
that's a train wreck.
They're a very well coached team. Coach Fabian does a great job. They've got, obviously, they've got some athletes, and they.
I'll go ahead and ask the question. Do they have a one-legged quarterback?
That's kind of been a staple from now on. Yes, they do have a quarterback. He's got two. They've got a couple quarterbacks that they run through. They run the option game, and they do a good job. They're very good at it. And point differential, what you went by, what you lose by, all that gets factored in to some huge equation.
Yeah, it does require, and they've got it on the MSHA, Missouri State High School Activities Association. If you want to go to .org and you want to look at the what am I trying to say?
Words are hard.
Right, the formula, you know what I'm saying? And it's nothing that anybody without a math degree could figure out, but they do it somehow. I don't know why it's so complicated.
Thank you, Joe. Did it? Now I'm going to do the same thing. Did it?
I didn't. We're going to do the show in Morse code. I like that, Jim. That's good. Where's our train sound?
Was it? Despite the staying home, I mean, the beautiful thing is, I know I'm in shape because I went to the doctor and he said, thank God round is a shape, because I'm out. I'm done. Mike, back to you.
Oh, man, it is fun being back with you.
Yeah.
I wasn't quite ready to sort of formulate wherever I was going to go, and so I got nothing.
I'll go to the Misha site for the district season.
That's why I refer to Mike, and Mike's over there going.
I watched a lot of cartoons.
That was impressive.
That was so nice.
Thank you.
With that.
You don't see that every day.
Oh, man, no.
So
the 3 and 4 Excelsior Springs Tigers, GER, are going to be playing our wonderful. What I know, GER. I was going to do my best Tiger imitation, but
That was pretty solid.
now we are the Kearney Bulldogs, who are also 3 and 4, and I think there is, and I would go, "Hurf, hurf, hurf." Yes, that was good. I like that. You started that for me, Jim. And that's better. That sounds a lot meaner than when I say Tiger, GER.